Just took delivery of a new vehicle? I'm going to tell you exactly why you need Clear Bra right away. Clear Bra is an 8mm thick, durable, protective layer of film that protects your vehicle against rock chips and scratches. Because it's so thick and durable, it doesn't conform well to rock chips. There are two main types of rock chips that we need to be concerned about. The first type of rock chip is the one that everybody knows. It's the deep, wide rock chip that goes all the way down to the metal or plastic. We've all seen them. That creates a problem when we put Clear Bra over top because most of the time it will create an air gap, which doesn't look good to the naked eye. The second type of rock chip that we need to be concerned about is what I like to call sandblasting. Sandblasting are hundreds, if not thousands, of tiny little rock chips just like you see here. When we put film over top of a sandblasted bumper or even a sandblasted hood, all of those tiny rock chips, which aren't usually visible from a decent distance, become a ton of tiny little white specks under the film, and it looks terrible. This is why you need to install Clear Bra immediately after taking delivery of a new vehicle, or else those rock chips will make Clear Bra installation impractical. Click the button below to get your free quote on protecting your vehicle.